So, hi guys, welcome to Byte Official, and for today I have this device with me as promised. So, this is the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE in this graphite color. So, let's quickly unbox this and see what's inside. And by the way, this is the 128 GB variant, okay, which was retailing for around 34,000 in the Flipkart on the SASA LELE sale, and I managed to get it for around 26,000 using the my older device, that is the Realme GT Master Edition, which was having water damage in it, okay, which I had explained in the previous videos. Okay, if you want the full context, please go and watch the previous video as well. That is linked in the description of this video, and also you can find it in the eye icon over here. Okay, so this again I purchased from Flipkart, and again you can see this box has been unboxed earlier by the Flipkart delivery partner. And yeah, this comes in this black box, and today is basically 7th May, and this is from April packaging, which is fine with me. And apart from that, things are as it is. The actual MRP being 60,000, like 1 rupee less than 60,000. And also, you can see the size of the box with this S24 FE badging over here, very faded out. And by the size, as I was saying, we can basically say that this does not have a charger. So now let's quickly unbox this. So this top and bottom seals have already been opened, and this again reminds me of the iPhone unboxing. Though I haven't ever unboxed an iPhone, but yeah, the unboxing is similar. Two seals at the top and the bottom, and then again a thin box. And once you open the box, you can see. Yeah. So here we have this inside the box. Let's see what comes inside. Though we cannot expect much right now from Samsung. And yeah, this is one thing that I like from Samsung, is that no matter what is the price of the phone, you will not get the charger, but you will get a very premium unboxing experience. You can see this, the materials, plastic is not used anywhere, and yeah, this feels premium. So here we just have one type C to C cable. Try to remove this, and again this is coming. Is my charging cable, type C to C, both the sides, and this is around 1 meter long, if 1.5 meters, somewhere over there. Okay, so that's all that we get here, and some user manuals, which are fortunately getting thinner and thinner. And here we have the charge. Basically, this is the SIM ejector pin. I was about to say charging pin for some reason. And this is, yeah, this came out. So this is the charging pin, which looks good. Yeah, better than the ones provided by Motorola and Realme. But again, that's all that it has, apart from the device itself. And keeping this aside, and here we can just lift this flap, and this is the device. And apart from that, nothing else belongs. Again, this device is similar to iPhone. It comes with this black sheet over here. You can just peel this off, and now we can see the device in full glory. So this is around 212 grams approximately, and see, this is fully glass. Okay, glass on the back, glass on the front, and both are protected by the Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection. And again, from the back, you can see this looks like the Samsung S24, S24 Plus, and it gives the Samsung S series vibes. Triple camera with a flash on the top. You can see we have two microphone slots, and here we have the SIM tray. The left hand side is pretty much clean, with apart from these antenna bands. And the bottom we have this speaker over here, and again two more microphone slots, and then here we have the type C charging port. So this is, as I said, glass on both sides, and this is complete aluminum. And again, this is graphite black, and this also comes in other two colors, that is the misty green and the aqua blue. And on this right hand side, you can see the power button and a single volume rocker, which has both the buttons combined. And on the front, we have the front camera at the center as a punch hole. So that was pretty much it. And see, this is how it looks. So again, you can see the display is pretty much okay. for the price. See, the display is great, but again, for the price, I'm saying it's okay. It's 120 hertz display with an AMOLED 1.5K resolution. And yeah, the bezels, you can see these bezels are a bit thick. And the thing that annoys me over here is that you can see this bottom bezel. The bottom bezel is basically thicker than the top bezel, which I don't expect at this price point. You can see basically nothing had done a great job by making all the four bezels consistent. So that was something appreciated. But yeah, that is it. Again, this has its 2400E, the processor. That is the Exynos, which people say heat a bit, but here it is fine. While setting up the phone, this area was hot, but right now it's okay. And I haven't found anything as such. And here you can see the camera. So we have the ultra wide, we have the main camera, and we have the 3x telephoto. And here you can see, as I put to 3x, you can see the dust on my laptop as well, as clear as day. And then we have other modes. We have the portrait mode, we have the video mode. And in video, we can see right now this full HD 30. I can go up till 8K, but it will 30 FPS only. Okay. And 4K will be at 30 and 60. So this is something that is very great about this 8K 30, but again, 8K 60 would have been like fantastic. So that was something about the back camera setup. If I move to the front camera, this is the front camera. And here you can see I have Full HD 30 and I can go up till 4K 60. So again, this is appreciative, though this is just a 10 megapixel shooter at the front, but again, 4K 60 FPS is great for a front camera. And this is the photo mode. This is ultra wide, is like decent. It could have been better, but again, that is what it is. And apart from that, what sets this apart from other devices is, first of all, its pricing right now. It's around 40% discounted from its actual price. And again, if you want the AI features, this is the phone for you. You have the Samsung's latest, all the AI features right now in this phone, like the circle to search, magic erase, and everything. And the phone is smooth as butter. And right now, if you see over here, if I can show you the software information, right now this is on Android 14 with One UI 6.1, and this is supposed to get 7 years of security updates plus Android updates. So we can expect this to go 14 plus 7, that is Android 21. Okay, so we can expect this to go up till Android 21. So this is a great phone for a specific set of people. So now let me tell you for whom I will recommend this phone. So see, if you are someone who wants an iPhone kind of experience, okay, so this is no less than an iPhone, I would say. So instead of buying an iPhone, you can invest in this if you have a Windows laptop or if you have other Android phones. So if you don't want to get into that iPhone ecosystem, then you can get this. Okay, because it has all the perks of the iPhone minus the ecosystem. And again, this also has the Samsung Dex, so I can simply connect this to any monitor and turn this into a full-fledged computer. Plus, we have Samsung's own ecosystem, that is, like we can easily share files between the Samsung phone and other devices, like Windows and other Android. For Windows, you can use the phone link app. So that is about the ecosystem. Okay. Next, the next point is, this is for those kind of people who don't want to game, because again, this is not a gaming phone, and I haven't tested this for gaming, but you can watch other reviews as well. The gaming performance is just middling. Okay. See, it is meant for day-to-day tasks. Looks flagship. Okay. The build is flagship. It's solid. It feels in hand. It is comfortable to hold. You can see here we have this subtle curves, which makes it easier to hold, and we don't have those pointy edges like the previous generation Ultra phones, Samsung. So again, yeah, good to hold. That display is 6.7 inches, large enough. So for people who prefer large displays, and also for if you have like people like me, I also prefer the large displays. Here you can see this is the Realme GT2 Pro, which is recording it from the top, and at the front I have the MX3. Okay, so again, that's also a larger phone. So yeah, it's for you. Who should stay away from this phone? So let's say you are someone who wants to do lots of gaming, video editing, or stuff like that on your phone, and your phone is going to be a primary device for heavy usage, then you can avoid this. You should go for other phones like the Realme GT 6T in this price range, okay, or the newer one, that's the Motorola's Edge 60 Pro. That's again a fantastic device, so you can go for those. Okay. So that was something about this phone. And again, one more thing that I forgot. So if I keep this phone over here, you can see this is a bit wobbly. You can see this rattle due to this protruding camera. So again, I am going to slap on a case on it, and for the charging, it supports 45-watt charging from the wired type side, which is pretty low as per 2025 standards. But again, this phone came up in September 2024, and again, yeah, it's good for your battery. And also it has wireless charging of up to 15 watts.